Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
A. Each phosphorus atom in the tetrahedral P4 molecule forms 3 single bonds, meaning each requires 1 lone pair to complete its octet. Delta S naught is negative because the reaction converts 5 moles of gaseous reactants O2 into 1 mole of solid product P4O10. Gases have more disorder than solids. Claim is correct. In the equation, delta G naught equals delta H naught minus T delta S naught. A negative delta S naught makes the minus T delta S naught term positive. Delta H naught must be negative and large enough to outweigh the positive minus T delta S naught term. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.